Can men express vulnerability freely? The idea that women want a man who expresses his emotions is somewhat misleading. While they may appreciate expressions of love, when it comes to vulnerability, things are different. Men who show fear or anxiety are often met with negative reactions from potential partners. I've seen this among my family and friends. My father, teachers, and friends have all had similar experiences. Women seem to draw a line between acceptable and unacceptable emotions. For men with mental health problems who can't suppress these feelings, it's a constant struggle. They face judgment and rejection when they try to be honest about how they feel. And yet, some people deny that this is a common issue for men. Generalizations based on experiences like these can't be easily dismissed.